Hello guys, this is Akavya. How are you? I hope you're good. So today is another day of reviewing another book. And the book name is The Amazing Voyage into the Kingdom of Fantasy. And obviously it's of Geronimo Stilton. And this was also an amazing book with amazing pictures, like I told you. So let's start the review. Most favorite page in this book is this one. It's introducing the new Mouse City spring season. And in this book, the crew members of the team, where they get to save the Queen of Blossoms, the introduction of all the members of the crew, and it's just so amazing. You have to buy this book and you have to read it. इट्स द थर्ड पार्ट एंड मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पता था जब मैं बुक ले रही थी कि ये थर्ड एडवेंचर है जेरोनिमो का. सो टेक द फर्स्ट पार्ट, उसका भी रिव्यू जल्दी आएगा. पर कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता अगर तुम इसको भी पहले पढ़ लेते हो, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ सीरीज टाइप. यू कैन रीड इट. मतलब तुम 2 भी पढ़ सकते हो पहले, 3 भी पढ़ सकते हो, 1 भी पढ़ सकते हो. इट डज नॉट डिपेंड. दिस बुक वॉज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी एंड एट द लास्ट पेजेस it's a happy ending. Obviously in Geronimo's book it's always a happy ending, and at the last they are introducing all the kingdoms, all the lands, the talking forest, the kingdom of giants, kingdom of elves. I'll show you. This book starts by Geronimo was lying on his bed after a huge pizza party with his family, and suddenly he sees himself in the kingdom of night, and he got to know that the Queen of Blossom has been kidnapped by the Queen of Witches, and the whole kingdom has fallen into a huge freezing winter. It's endless and it's unstoppable, and all the people are requesting Geronimo to rescue her, and they give a lot of things in return for that, and they all get very happy after the queen is rescued. And there's a great voyage in which all the members of their crew gets with an amazing talking ship. And this book was also very good, and it's a hardcover books, and personally मैंने अभी तक जितनी भी hardcover books पढ़ी है, they are amazing, and I just love this book. You should definitely try this, and it's full of beautiful pictures like the Queen of Star Fairies वाली करके book थी Geronimo की. It's similar to this, not similar, but the photos are very memorable and very fantastic. Geronimo, and it's a little introduction, and this is the Fantasian language, and this is the map of the kingdom of fantasy. I think the camera is blurred, but try to adjust please. This is the kingdom of fantasy and kingdom of the fairies, and the land of the fairy tales. Kingdom of the silver dragons. But there are very much kingdoms, and they're just too fascinating. The kingdom of the gnomes. Gnomes are like very little, like very miniature version of dwarfs. Yes. Land of nightmares. It's full of sad things and scary things. There's nothing positive in this land. Nothing. And this is the kingdom of the giants, and this is kingdom of the elves, and last but not the least, talking forest. And the end. This book was super duper amazing. You should definitely try this. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.